The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision attacks launched at provisional bases of the 40th Artillery Brigade and Kraken nationalist group deployed in Kharkov have resulted in the elimination of up to 200 nationalists, including about 50 foreign mercenaries and 19 units of armament and military equipment. Pinpoint attacks of Russian aerospace forces launched at the bases of Right Sector nationalist group deployed in Artomovsk, Donetsk People's Republic have resulted in the elimination of about 300 nationalists and up to 30 units of armored and special motor vehicles. Attack launched at provisional base of the 45th Artillery Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, deployed near Sharbaki, Zaporozhye region, has resulted in the elimination of barracks with over 70 servicemen. Artillery units have eliminated up to 70 nationalists and 11 armored vehicles of the 128th Mountain Assault Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces near Lugavoye and Novoandreevka, Zaporozhye region. On July 14,